What's up lovely people? So today in this particular video we are going to see how to make a funnel chart in Power BI. So first of all, let's understand what is a funnel chart. So the funnel chart is a chart which is used for visualizing the progressive reduction of data as it is passing from one phase to another phase. In this, the representation of these phases is done as different portions of 100%. Or we can also say the funnel chart is also used for representing the stages of sales process and showing the amount of potential revenue for each stage. So this is the definition of our funnel chart. So let's see how to make it. So the dataset that we are going to use for making the funnel chart is Hollywood Most Profitable Stories dataset. This dataset is also used by us in our previous videos. So if you want a full dataset explanation, you can go back to that videos for. So if you want a full dataset explanation, you can watch our previous videos for the dataset explanation. So let's see how to make a funnel chart. So first of all, for making a funnel chart, we would be requiring a question. So first of all, for making a funnel chart, we would be requiring a question. First of all, for making a funnel chart, we would be requiring a question like what output we are expecting. So let's say I would like to see the profitability according to the genre. So I am going to drag and drop the profitability onto the task window, and I am going to do the same thing with the genre. So you can see a default chart is coming up over here, but we do not want that. So for converting it to a funnel chart, just go to the visualization pane and select the funnel chart from there. So you can see your default graph has been converted to a funnel chart. So you can see your default chart has been converted to a funnel chart. For more information, we can use the tooltips. So for more information, we can use the tooltips. So for displaying the more information, we can use the tooltips as well. For example, if we want to display the So for more information, we can use the tooltips. For example, if we want to display the audience rate as well, then we can drag and drop the audience into the tooltips, and it will be showing the audience. If we hover our cursor over here, you can see the audience score add to the last point. So this is all about how to make a funnel chart in Power BI. Thank you so much for watching our video. Stay tuned with us. Take care. Bye bye.